You have learned how to create and format documents in Microsoft Word. What you need is to learn how to share and print your document. To print a document in Word, you need a printer. The printer can either be installed on your computer system or you have access to connect your device to a printer. There are two major ways to get your document to the final user. They include through a soft copy or through a hard copy. A soft copy is the modern way of sharing and delivering information easily using ICT gadgets. Information can be delivered through emails, SMS, cloud, etc. The soft copy also enhances teamwork, productivity, and collaboration, making for fast and instant updates in a document. A hard copy requires that you print your document and deliver same to your supposed audience. It is a manual means of disseminating information and requires that you own or have access to a printer. You can connect your device to a printer in two ways. Through point-to-point connection using a USB connector. You can directly connect your printer using this method if you own a printer. It requires you to install a printer driver on your device for a printer to function effectively. You can also connect your printer through a wireless connectivity channel. Though you can also connect your devices using this channel, that is wireless connectivity, if you own a wireless printer. But it makes it easier for you to connect to a printer or print externally using someone else's printer. To print a document in a cyber cafe or a hotel, etc., you can connect to their wireless printer. This is possible if such a service is available. In some cases, you may be required to install a print driver on your device. Hi, I am Casey Kamak. In this tutorial, you will learn how to share and print your document in Microsoft Word. Sharing a document is an electronic means of delivering your document to your audience. There are different ways to achieve this, including delivering your document through an email service like Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook, etc. Publishing your document on a blog service like WordPress, Blogger, etc. Posting your document on a public or personal website. Sharing your document using cloud service like Microsoft SharePoint server, OneDrive, Google Drive, etc. Microsoft Word provides 4 ways of sharing a document with your audience. They include email service. This method allows you to send your document as an attachment to your audience email address. It uses Outlook to manage and deliver emails. Online presentation. This method enables you to use an Office presentation service to deliver your documents to an online audience. It requires that you own a Microsoft account. Blog posts. You can use this method to post your content to any of the popular blog sites. You need to register and connect your blog account to make a post. Cloud service. This method allows you to share and collaborate with others using Microsoft Cloud service. You need a Microsoft account to be able to use this service. In this tutorial, you will learn how to share a document using email and cloud services. Microsoft Word provides users with the option of sharing their documents through an email service. The email service used in this case is Microsoft Outlook. To share your documents using email, do the following. After creating and formatting your document, go to File and click on Share. The Share and Print a Document window will appear. Select Email from the share list. From the email options, select any of Send as Attachment, Send as PDF, or Send as XPS. The Outlook email service window will appear with the attached document. Note: if you are using Outlook for the first time, you will need to set it up for you to use it. On the Outlook window, enter the email addresses of recipients separated by a comma, then click on the Send button to send the documents. You can also share a document using the Microsoft Cloud service. This requires that you have a Microsoft account. To get started, do the following. After creating and formatting your document, go to File and click on Share. The Share and Print a Document window will appear. Select Share with People from the share list. From the Share with People option, select the Save to Cloud button. The Save As window will appear. On the Save As window, select the OneDrive option. Your Microsoft account should be active. If it is not active, log into your Microsoft account by clicking on the Sign In option on the top right corner of Microsoft Word window. Select a folder and save the file in OneDrive. Note: you need internet connection to be able to save to the cloud. After the file is successfully saved, go to File and click on Share. Select Share with People option on the share list. Click on the Share with People button. A share window appears on the right side of your main window. Enter the recipient's email address separated by a comma. Indicate if the recipient should be allowed to edit the document or not. To collaborate with team members, activate this option. Else, you can leave it as it is. Next, include any other comments or optional message in the message box. Will changes made to the document be automatically shared? Indicate this by selecting any of Ask Me, Always, or Never. If you are collaborating with teammates, please activate Always. When you are done, click the Share button. An email will be sent to each of the email addresses specified. After the email is sent, click on the Get a Sharing link. Click on the Get a Sharing link button at the bottom of the Share pane. On the Get a Sharing link window, click on any of the following options. First, create an edit link. if you want users to edit the document. Second, create a view-only link. That is, if you want users to see but not edit the document. Okay, copy the generated link, whichever one you use, whether to edit or not to edit. Then copy the generated link. You can now send the link to anyone you want to have access to the document. Anyone with the link can either view the link or help you to edit the document. With the above, you can easily collaborate with your friends or team members to create a document. For example, you might typeset a document and allow another person to help you proofread or format the document. Sharing a document is important, especially when working in a group. Documents can be edited by group members until the final document is created. This is not the end of this tutorial. Remember to come back and learn how to print your documents. Before then, subscribe and share this tutorial.